easy to cook. Ayan, chicken with mushroom. Almost 10 minutes na lang ito ginawa. O, diba? 10 minutes may chicken mushroom ka na. 5 minutes mo siyang ipa-fry. Then, 5 minutes mo din siyang ipa-fry with onions. Kasi separated yung frying ng onions and chicken. O, diba? Meron ka ng menu, chicken mushroom. Thank you for watching. Like and follow, guys.